Papa Glock TV. You know what I mean? Your Prince Extendo, Glock King, Stefani Flynn. You know what I mean? And it's my 2024, you know what I mean, gun collection. Hood gun collection. Let's go. You know what I mean? We starting it off with my favorite joint right now. My ex Cleaver FS, you know what I mean? Race gun, joint fast as hell, you know what I mean? That's how it's looking. It's a Glock 17 clone, but it's on steroids, you know what I'm saying? Got the Gen 5 grip, the trigger, 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds, it's like you pushing air, you know what I mean? But that's how it joint look. Look at that, it's pretty. With the sights on it, come with the sights. Yeah. I'm gonna get a metal back plate and then I order that. You know what I mean? Throw that blueberry beam on it. Yeah. I mean, yeah, but yeah, got that comp on it, that sexy looking comp. That thing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, keep the trigger pull on it. We off this. Going crazy. Race gun, fast as hell. Bull Armory, you know what I mean? If you want to know how much I paid for it, where to get it from, hit me in the comments. Next up is that M17 Gen 3. You know what I'm saying? It's another race gun of mine that's fast as hell. Keep the trigger. You wanna know, you know what I mean? Hit me in the comments. Took the light off, got put another light on, switched it, put it on my Glock I just, you know what I mean? 22 Glock I just copped up. You know what I mean? Police surplus. You wanna know where I got that? Hit the comments, man. But this got a 3-pound trigger too. Like butter. Peep it. Reset, crazy. So there you go. That's one of my favorite joints. Like, shoot it at the range a lot. Super fast. More range videos coming soon, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's that Gen 3 M17 Glocky Glock, you know what I mean? It's my thing. With the Chris Vec in it, you know what I mean? What else we got? Yeah, let me take it to this one. This is the new Glock joint I just copped up from a certain place. And they damn near sent it brand new, but I still stripped the guts out. You know what I'm saying? Strip the guts out, put everything new in, metal guy ride, you know what I mean, stronger trigger spring, fire striker, everything brand new in it. And it came with no scuffs, no scratches. Yeah, they treated me right. 40, you know what I mean, Gen 3. I mean Gen 4. I'm saying it's the Gen 4 40. Yeah, got the gold boy on it with the blueberry bean, you know? You know? Blondie, man, you know what I'm saying? Popping. That's how we rocking. Straight legal though. Stay safe. But that's the, you know what I mean? Just cop this. Want to know the price? Hit me in the comments. I'll let you know, but basically paid all together $500. I mean, refurbishing it about $500. Got it for like $340. Tax, all that came up to like close to $4. You know what I mean? And paid the gun people, the FFL people, so doing crazy. That was a crazy still, crazy come up. Everyday carry, you know what I mean? Next up. Now this is my everyday carry right now, you know what I mean? Be on my hip every day, you know what I'm saying? Pretty as hell. Serpico trigger. Look at that bling on it. Everything polished. Polished this, you know what I mean? Polish the top. Look crazy, right? I ain't putting nothing on. I just polished. I like how that look. Sexy. Got the night sights on it. Looking like a Ferrari, you know what I mean? Glock 22 Gen 5 40. Favorite gun. This is my everyday carry. And got the green boy on this one. You know what I mean? Strobe light. Yeah, that shit crazy. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's my favorite joint. That's what I keep in that joint at all times. Oh, hellos. Hello. And it's 40 and it's like a 30 clip, but I keep 28 in it. You gotta get them bullets room to breathe. I know you heard that. Philly shit. And then I switch it out. And man, I feel somebody on my ass, switch it out, you know what I mean? With them cherry bombs. I don't keep 50 in there, you mess up the spring. I only keep about 40, 45. 45, one in the head. You know what I mean? That's how we rocking with that, you know what I mean? What else we got? I think that's all I had, guys. Here we go with this. Gustavo Arms, Z-Pack 85, Shoot 556, AK to Shoot 556, like that, with the wood handle, the black wood handle, got a twin. You know what I'm saying? Same thing, Gustavo Arms, M85, Shoot 556 223. With the metal grip handle. There you go. Shit crazy. Super accurate. Had to cop 2 of those. And then I got their bigger brother. This is the grand finale for now. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. You know what I mean? It's the 92 762 Pappy. M92, you know what I mean? Better than a Drake. Everybody know that. It's better than a Drake. More durable. Ready for war. Like, this shit crazy. It's my favorite joint. 762. Yeah. And that's about what it is. I don't think I missed nothing. We went over the twin 40s. Twin 40s, Gen 4, Gen 5, you know what I mean? And the Mac 11, I don't know if I showed you this boy. You know what I mean? I had to take this nut ass piece off. This shit make your shit corny. This shit ain't no suppressor. This some just make it heavier. Yeah, this look more flyer now with that. Look, you know what I mean? It's crazy. Take Glock mags, you know what I mean? Chris Beck. Ooh, 124 grains, you know what I'm saying? Hollow on your ass, yeah. But Papa Glock TV, and we out.